Okay, so today we're going to do the capital H in 2 point perspective. And we're going to do things a little bit differently in that we're going to place our horizon line near the bottom of the screen and the H will be above. All right, so I'll put that horizon line down here. And again, we start with the front edge. So that means I'm going to put the front edge right about here. Make it tall on this side. And then it's going to stretch out going to the right. So I will use raise to connect B to my points. And I need to mark where the H is gonna, where the legs are gonna be. And so I'm gonna make this one kind of thick because it's really just one letter. So I'll make it like this. And this should be about the same distance. All right, there we go. And then all the vertical lines will be parallel to the first one that I made. And then I can mark those intersections down to the bottom. Okay, and then I have to make the crossbar. Now, I'll say it's going to be, that'll be the top, and this will be the bottom. And then I will use raise to mark my other side. Okay, so I have all the points for the front face. That part is good. I can hide objects now and draw that front face. Bless you. I'll even hide that bottom one. And then second. Okay, so I draw the front face. Now, if I want to make this a little bit bigger, can I move point D? Oh, look at that. I can move point D so I can make this a little bit bigger. So that's kind of nice. All right, so now my depth walls, they're all going to go back to point A. And I can use segments for those. So every corner point of H, I'm going to take back to point A. Even these corners up here. Now, I really don't need to make this super deep, but what I will do is I'll make it so that it's not so deep here. So that way I'll see where the thing ends. So let's use a ray tool for this. Okay. I'm gonna mark these intersections. And the other ones I need to use the parallel line tool for that. Okay. So this intersection up here, and then this intersection right here, and then this intersection right there. And then it cuts over, so I need another parallel line. Parallel to this line through that. Intersect. Right there. Okay, so I think I have all the points drawn, or the points marked, so I can hide lines, and then I can redraw the H with my segment tool. Oh, I need to put that parallel line back in there. No, come on. Okay, so there's my H. Now I'm gonna end up coloring this, and I will try and do. Let's see. Okay, so let's say the bottom of this will be the darkest. The side of this will be medium. The front of this will be. Let's go. The front of this is our medium color. The side of this, the side walls are going to be my lightest color, and then my underneath will be my darkest color. Okay, so we'll use the polygon tool for that. Okay, these are going to be my darkest. Now the color I'm going to choose, first off, I'll make it, let's go 40, 60, 80. All right, so my darkest then will be the 80. And once I start doing this with the mouse, I can make small adjustments with my arrow keys. All right. Okay, these side walls will be my lightest one, so that'll be my 40. And then my front face, that'll be the 60. So of my colors, or of my shades, that's my medium shade. Okay. So my front one is going to be 60. And my side ones are going to be 40. Okay, so now I want to try and pick a different color for this. And let's pick a color that kind of represents May. And you know what? We can do this. SLZ is kind of a reddish orange. There we go. How about this right here? This looks like it's kind of a San Lorenzo color. So once I click on it, then I can click the other polygons and just go back to the recent. And I'm going with, I'm going to call this San Lorenzo red, which I'm not sure if that's an actual color, but that's my story and I'm sticking to it. Oh. Okay. Now we need to hide our points, but before I do that, I'm going to sign this. All right, and then we'll hide all those points, and then we can turn it in. Now remember, I can either click on the point or I can just click on the letter. Either way, it's that point is marked to be hidden, and when I click on something else, those will all get hidden from view. Okay. All right, so there's my H. Now I'm totally done, so I can hit the save link up here and get going with that. Turn everything in, and we'll go from there. So hopefully you have fun with this, and we'll see you on the next one. All right? Bye-bye.